Do you want to make great videos and edit like a pro, master everything there is to master between color grading and motion graphics? Well, if you do, good news, and exciting news, because we're launching a brand new channel dedicated solely to video content creation. It's going to be jam-packed with tutorials, tips and tricks, and I'll be diving deeper into all of the video editing tools that you know and love, like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and After Effects. And every now and again, I'll bring in some other familiar faces that you might already know to get an even deeper look into the techniques that go into creating incredible videos. Now, I hear you saying, you've got like millions of subs on this channel, why are you starting fresh? And it's a great question. Well, we've looked at the data, we've crunched the numbers, we've talked to a lot of people in the industry, and we've come to realize that while some of you are really passionate about video creation, a lot more of you, are really passionate about graphic and web design.
If so, this is the video for you.
This way we can tailor our videos to be more helpful and more relevant to each and every one of you across both channels. Okay, makes sense. But wait, I hear you saying, what's happening with this channel? Another great question. This channel will continue to be your go-to place for all things graphic and web design, the same familiar faces and the same passion. We're committed to bringing you high-quality tutorials and insights that inspire and elevate your design skills. So if you're as excited as we are, then make sure to head over onto the new channel. The link will be down in the description below. If you've ever enjoyed a free course or a tutorial over here on Tuts Plus, then please go ahead and subscribe to the new channel, check out the first videos, hit that like button, interact with the video. All of these things really helps us in getting this new channel up and running in the early days. Now drop a comment down on this video with your thoughts on the new channel, what you'd like to see over there, and what you'd like to continue learning here on Envato Tuts Plus.